Alright guys, good morning. Here's a quick video of the ceiling fan here in my grandma's bedroom here. Again, this is a 52-inch Concord ceiling fan. If you notice, the blades are white sticking down like this. This is in my grandma's room, but go ahead and turn it on for a minute. I gotta be careful, I don't want to break this. Low. Low. Here's medium. Ooh, that feels good. Go see I'm gonna try and make this video quick. Alright, there's medium. There's high. Well, that feels good. Oh yeah. Alright, turning that fan off. Alright, sorry, that's just my grandma talking out. So just ignore that. There it is. There it is, pulling air up. Now it's pulling air back down. Alright. Now I'll turn it off. There we go. Alright guys. There y'all go. Hope y'all enjoyed that. And these have been the ceiling fans in my grandma's house. Thanks for watching. Until then, feel free to leave any comments. And I'm gonna miss this house when she moves. So thanks for watching. Until then, that's it.